Okay, now this is something I've never seen before. This is a Samsung Bespoke laundry ventless combo. It's got a washer and dryer built into one. So it does both. It washes your clothes and dries them. 98-minute runtime. So if you go here and you push in on this, there's your lint filter. That's where you can put in your bleach. You pull out on it and pour in your bleach there. Pull out. That's how you clean the lint out of here. All touch screen here. Of course, it's not on because it's on display, but right there's the power button to turn it on. Right there's a emblem to hook up your phone to it, so it's probably Bluetooth compatible. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the inside of it. When you pull it out, this is made of glass right here. But that's how much room you have on the inside. And then it clicks back in place. Here's some of the specifics on it. Gives you the sizing here for the dimensions. That way, in case you want to make sure it fits in your space. It is a 5.3 cubic feet. And this bottom base comes with it. So they show them as being two different part numbers, but that bottom base down here has a drawer that you pull out. You put all your laundry detergent and stuff inside there. But yeah, a unique feature. This is probably the way of the future right here. Everything's going to be built into one particular device or machine. The Samsung Bespoke AI laundry ventless combo.